Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Longkmie ya ka bala tip keteng kum ka priya khongstia ka bana kasnong Umniuh Tmar kala sya penyap ha ulok jongka u Donald Sotun uban na kasnong melim mau penti ha ubanai jemang ya ka ba ka tarik shim la tip tikna Henry ki trying jong yeng ka ba ki sawai ki lalap ya ka ni ha ka lai photarik u jemang hajar pusan. Katkum ka jing tu Superintendent of Police jong ka East Khasi Hill District uba Vivek Sim ula ong ba tang hadin bayo jing tip ya kani ki pulet kila twet yu Henry ha ka bakadu ula wan pendem hi yelade. Katkum ka jing tu SP ula ong ba ki pulet kila yalam ya ka kunhun jong ka forensic bat kum ju ru ya ki sausma ha ka te ka jaka ya ka balalap ya umau ba ula lentau ya la ka jong ka lok ba ula plaru ba ula penyap ya ka da ka ba bom da umau uba ki pulet kila yo kuru. Hadin balada penyap ula kelain ya ka met jongka ha ka blanket but ya ka ta ka met ha ka yeng ka ba ki sawai ha Nongrah Nongrum bray.
Nongrah case, accused is arrested. In fact, he is rendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained it was found out after 3 days, and we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone, which was thrown close by. The canine had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He is in judicial custody. We are treating that as a special report case and we'll be charging that case very soon. Kaya ay kasni banbot ni? Kata. Adi kasni kata adi kasni bagi. Kema bhag trek ma, ha? Lapot trek.
So what was the motive of the murder, sir?
The motive, there was an altercation because between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her.
So when was this murder took place? In the night or in the
daytime? Night.
At night.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.